ANC has sold out. They have taken the black vote and given Afrikaners, racist Afrikaners, power. They have taken us back into apartheid. We are saying never, not in our name, as in Konto. You can call us left, right, and center to try and join the SGNU. We will never join the GNU because we are the true liberators of our people. We want to liberate our people. And if it means liberating our people, we must wait until the right time. So shall it be. But one thing I can tell you, the next elections, they better be careful because Mkhonto is coming and we can never lose our elections. We have seen your tricks. Now they want to introduce e-voting. Why is it with the emergence of Mkhonto e-voting? Ngayibona mina ngalesikhathi uRamaphosa estate of the nation address athi we must digitize our identities. Ngathi yabo bafuna ukutshontsha nje manje. Bafuna ukutshontsha. Ngathi ngizobona bazokhuluma nge-e-voting. What are we faced with namhlanje by proposing e-voting? It's because they know come 2026, but particularly 2029, Mkhonto is going to govern. So they must find new tricks to vote. How can we even think of e-voting but through a hybrid solution? Are you there? Hybrid voting but through IEC is an enemy to democracy. The IEC is an enemy to the will of the people. Today we are sitting with a constitution that does not reflect us. The same constitution that we in parliament are supposed to be passing laws on. So no, we must adopt this fiscal framework and this budget. How can we adopt a budget that is defined by laws that are Roman Dutch law? That's the biggest problem we're faced with here. It's because we are not running our country by way of parliamentary sovereignty. Parliamentary sovereignty talks to whatever comes out of parliament must be reflective of what you want on the ground. Not a few parliamentarians taking decisions on increase of VAT for the majority of the people. When the majority of the people don't have jobs, when the majority of the people's children can't go to school, when the majority of the people are living in abject poverty. But then a few people in so-called portfolio committees must take decisions on your behalf. We are saying that must come to an end, and that will come to an end under the leadership and under your watch. Because you are the leaders of this country, not us. You, the people on the ground, are leaders of this country, not the parliamentarians. Comrades, all I'm going to say is, we love you. We are going to take this country back. Zelensky must leave this country very quickly. As in and he must be busy eating Ogudagwe. When our children are hungry, but Cyril can dine him. Then come in your communities. And no criminal of humanity is dining with a bourgeoisie called Cyril Ramaphosa in our name. Comrades, that's the end of it. Amanda! Amanda! Long live Mkhonto we Sizwe, long live! Long live Mkhonto we Sizwe, long live! Amanda!